night. It's a blowy night. So I'm actually on Portland. I'll post this tomorrow. But what I was going to do is to ride with a friend to Frome and get dropped off at Nunny and spend the night in Nunny, near Nunny Castle. So I can show you Nunny Castle. It's a wonderful place where I've camped and walked before with my XP, and it's a really special place for me. So I really wanted to go there. But my friend that was going to drive down tonight and stay that way and then drive back in the morning is not going to stay the night, and it was going to cost me too much to ride back on the train. So instead I am here. It's a bit blowy, but I just got the bus to Weymouth because I know I can't walk very far with this weight on my back. So I've lightened my load a bit, but look, I am looking along the coast for a place to pitch up out of the wind tonight and be cosy and aggy. And this is where we are at the moment, in Portland. Blowy night, and I think I have a spot where I want to camp. I'm just trying to remember which way it is. I know this island very well. I'll show you where we are. Go down a bit further. Aha, that's where we are. Look at that, it's incredible. Absolutely breathtaking. So we're going to go down on the lower path and find a wonderful place to pitch Aggie. There's the long 18-mile Chesil Beach, the causeway that goes. Causeway's there with the lights, and then Chesil Beach goes 18 miles, and we're going down there. So just getting a good practice because I can't walk for 20 miles with this weight on my back, and also I pee myself. Doing the best I can. Here we go. Need to get down to the lower path. Going to be nice and cozy and warm tonight. I just made some memories with my friend Anne and her husband John, who I love very much. I don't think I want to go down this way. Let me have a look. No, I'm not going down that way. But I'm going to follow the track down there. Let me get moving.